This video presentation is about combinations. Example 2.2. It says a quiz team of 4 is chosen from a group of 15 students. So we got a team of 4 that is chosen from 15 students. In how many ways could the team be chosen? And it goes on to say, part B, if there are 8 girls and 7 boys in the group, in how many ways could the team be chosen so that there are 2 boys and 2 girls in the team? So that's from the same 15 students. And part C says, in how many ways could a team be chosen if there are to be more girls than boys in the team? So since there are no restrictions and you are selecting 4 from a group of 15, so that's basically 15C4. And that's 15 factorial over 11 factorial times 4 factorial, and this is 1365. So therefore, there are 1365 ways of distinct ways of choosing 4 teams from a teams of 4 from a group of 15. Now for part B, now there's a restriction whereby there are 8 girls and 7 boys in a group. Okay, in how many ways could the team be chosen so that there are 2 boys and 2 girls? So there must be exactly 2 boys and 2 girls. So what you've got to do, you've got to partition the group into the 8 girls and the 7 boys. Okay, so as the solution says, 2 girls can be chosen in 8C 2 different ways because you are selecting 2 girls from the 8 girls, and then you are randomly selecting 2 boys from the 7 boys. So there are 7C ways of doing that. So for each of the 8C2 ways of selecting the girls, there are 7C2 ways of selecting the boys because you are doing those 2 selections at the same time. Okay, so the key word that's conjunction, joining those 2 activities is the word and the word and in probability analysis is multiplication. The word or is addition. So you are doing 8C2 and you are doing 7C2. So that is 8C2 times 7C2, and that will give us 588. So whilst you are selecting 2 from the 8 girls, at the same time you are selecting 2 from the 7 boys, okay? So that's why there's a multiplication going on between the 8C2 and the 7C2. So that gives us 588. And the key thing that of partitioning the girls and the boys, okay, in 7 and 8, or 8 and 7 respectively. So part C now, it says the restriction is that there are to be more girls than boys, okay? So remember, you are selecting a team of 4. There are 8 girls and there are 7 boys. Okay. So if there are to be more girls than boys in the team, then the team will either have 4 girls and no boys, or 3 girls and 1 boy. So you can see the clear usage of the word and or. And is times and or is plus. Okay. So 4 girls and no boys. Okay. Or 3 girls and 1 boy. Now, the 3 girls and 1 boy, you have to choose the 3 from the 8 and you are choosing the 1 from the 7. So that's why you have times. So that's the 8C3 times 7C1. Okay? And the 4 girls and no boys, okay? That's 8C4 times 7C0. But 7C0 is 1, so you don't really have to put it. Okay? You don't really have to put the 7C0. So that's why you only have the 8C4. So that's why it gives you 70 plus 392. So pay attention to the analysis of the and the usage of the word and or. Okay? 4 girls and no boys. So 4 from 8 and 0 from 7. That's 70. Or 3 girls and 1 boy. 3 chosen from 8 times 1 chosen from 7 randomly. That's 70 plus 392.